In this video, I'll talk about the simple Python program to insert records to MySQL database table. Okay, so I have already created test database, and within this database, I will be storing records to the customer table. Customer as CID, name, address, gender, hobby. So I will now write the code to access the database and insert record to this database. Okay, so first we have to import MySQL connector package, then we have to create the connection mysql.connector.connect host is equal to localhost, then user is equal to root, then password empty, then database is equal to test. Now okay, this block connection object is created. Now let's write the SQL insert into customer CID, CNAME, address, age, gender, hobby, it should be BY, then values, let's CID be 100, okay, 30, 20, name be okay Jack, address should be Banishore, then age should be 34, gender male, hobby fighting. Okay, in this way we can create this insert statement. Now then we have to create connect cursor object using the dv object, dv.cursor. Okay, this is the method. Cursor is the method that is used by connection object to create accessor. Now this accessor is necessary, this cursor object is necessary to execute SQL statement. Dot execute. Okay, now if everything is right, our insert statement will be executed. Then we have to dv.commit, we have to commit this. Okay, if you want to insert record to the database, then we have not only executing that query is sufficient, we have to commit that SQL statement also. Now let's save this. Now let's run this. Now okay, cursor missing positional argument. Well, I missed the skill. Okay, fine, I missed to pass this SQL statement to the execute. Now let's re-execute this. Now let's refresh this database table. Okay, now we can see Jack Bannister mail that been inserted. So this is a very simple Python code to insert record to the database table. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.